bitches in a match. Wrist on Millie, rock them diamonds.
Hi vlog. Peep my shirt. It says Corona. It is currently March 19th, Thursday, 9:20. And this is what we're doing. I went to Walmart, neighborhood Walmart, and I'm supposed to get gloves, all-purpose flour, and hand sanitizer for my family, and they had none of those three things. So what did I walk out with? Purple hair dye and brownie mix. Right, Cooper? Looks like I must have murdered somebody, so I put plastic wrap on the floor, plastic wrap on the counter. So originally my friend was supposed to come over and help me do this, but she obviously is not here. But now I'm gonna just do it by myself, and hopefully it turns out good. I'm not gonna make it super dark. I'm gonna keep it in there like very, very short. I'm gonna do it up to my highlighted hairs, but it's pretty much my whole head. Wish me luck. Hopefully this washes out in 30 washes like it says it's supposed to. I was supposed to go to the my hairstylist on Saturday and get my hair like touched up on the roots and like get it more highlighted and just get it cut, because you see how long this is? Yeah, it's annoyingly long. So I was either gonna cut my hair myself or dye it, and this is obviously what I ended up doing. It's a complete kit. It has bleach and everything, but I'm not gonna bleach my hair more. One, I'm scared to do that, and two, I don't really need to. I don't care. So I'm just gonna use the dye. If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me. Alright, put the back of my head. I don't even know what it looks like. Listening to Don Toliver in the background. Love Don Toliver, who's opening for The Weeknd. Too bad The Weeknd's concert twice isn't gonna happen, so I didn't even bother buying tickets. Okie dokie. Oh my god. I'm just gonna put some in my hand. I asked my dad what he thought, and he said, do whatever. My mom said you're gonna ruin your hair. So who did I listen to? Not my mom, that's for sure. Won't you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? I keep my hair out, right? This whole time. Look at this dog. I hope you can see him. Look at this dog. Alright, it's currently 11:29 or 11:30. Listen to the Weeknd's new album. My skin is disgusting, but here's my hair. Yes, I currently have only a towel on and some Victoria's Secret silky shorts. So as you can tell, it is really splotchy. A lot of it did wash out, and I missed an entire section right here. Wait, right here. Can you see it? So that's what it looks like against white. You can see. The other section wasn't as bad. I don't think I missed a spot. I can't really see if I missed a spot on this side. So hold on. There's all my hair. Just all of my hair. Lavender-ish kind of color. And also, I didn't really dye this top part. Kind of a fail overall. But it is my first time dyeing my own hair. And I did it by myself. Like literally no help at all. So yeah, it was a fun process. It was definitely interesting though, but we tried. Wait, what time is it? Like 3:30, almost 4.
Oh my god, it's a school night.
Courtney's here helping me fix my hair.
Oh, crazy.
Cooper is getting done with her hair. And yeah, that's all that's going on. Hopefully it looks a little bit better, or blends a little bit better, because like there's whole sections where it's just like half is purple and half is blonde. So yeah. Overall, here's how my hair turned out. In the sunlight, you can see in the braid it has like hints of purple, but it's not the best purple hair dyeing job. I will insert the TikTok that I made.
One, here comes the 2 to the 3 to the 4. Everybody drunk out on the dance floor. Baby girl ass jiggle like she want more. Like shit with me and I ain't even know a tour. Maybe cause she heard that I rhyme hardcore.
But that is all. Hope you guys enjoyed me chaotically dyeing my hair purple because of being in quarantine and being bored. Yeah, I have viewers playing in the background. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below what you're doing in quarantine. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.